welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, friends. In this video I will show you the live price prediction of the Vechain coin, and a lot of people ask me that what's the next target of Vechain coin. So in this video I will show you the next target of Vechain coin and what is the best time to buy, sell or hold Vechain coin. So keep watching this video if you are a holder of Vechain coin. And please, before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel for more this kind of latest news and updates. Please don't ignore my words, kindly click the subscribe button right now, friends. Now let's check it out the last one day price prediction of the Vechain coin. After that we look the last 1 hour price prediction, and after that we decided it's time to buy, sell or hold Vechain coin. As you can see here, the price prediction of the Vechain coin goes absolutely alike. This kind of change, very good change occur in the Vechain coin in the last one day. Price, the change is 8.09% positive, good change occur, and the price is about $0.192089 USD dollar is the Vechain last one day high price. If we look the currently price predictions of the Vechain coin, so we have to detect the last 1 hour price prediction. So as you can see, continuously a whole jump occur in the Vechain coin. As you can see, a whole, if we look the whole level of the Vechain coin, so the whole level jumps occur in the Vechain coin. And if we look the currently at this time to the currently the falling of the Vechain coin starts now, friends. So now how can we detect? So if we look the last one day period, approximately to 13-14 hours jumping occurs in the Vechain coin. So that's mean that now approximately maximum 5 to 4 hour falls occur in the Vechain coin at this time. Maximum 4 to 5 hour falls occur in the Vechain coin, friends. But don't worry about this falls of the Vechain coin. After a 4-5 hour they again start an explosion, and this kind, according to this price prediction positions, they take a jumping upward. As you can see, the whole change isn't positive, but in the between and among these changes they falls down for a later time. As you can see, look at the graph, they falls down for a later time. Look at here, they falls down for a later time, and after a falls, as you can see, let's suppose they falls down for 10 minutes, and after 10 minutes they take a high explosion. As you can see, same like that this procedure occur in the Vechain coin in the next. So next 4 to 5 hours they falls down, after that they again start explosion. Don't worry about the Vechain coin. After some time of interval they take a high explosion. So please don't sell it at this time. Hold your Vechain coin with the last of this month. I'm every time saying that hold your Vechain coin in the last of this month, because last of month is the result of the every cryptocurrencies. You look the last month and the last day of this month, every cryptocurrency's price prediction, every cryptocurrency falls down, continuously falls down occurs in every cryptocurrency, because a lot of people said it. That is why I'm said you to please sell it at the last of this month. What's your opinion? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates.